probably like, oh, I need to start.
Those demolition cars I'm not paying because this is the end of the season, right? Oh, Maddie and Amy were all doing it. They were digging it. But I just
In the mid-pack, marking. I think that's a good call out. Oh, man. Maybe it was a little, you know, I'm the one getting all mixed up. You guys all did a great job. We got covered here. We don't do it. So, idea of stuff. There you go. All right. This is the end of the year on its own. What's the great rate? The new one is this. I think Ryder Gardner is life 48. We'll wait out for the first go down. Now watch this. Watch out! Oh my God! There's no figuring it out right now. I'm telling you, all through the field, it was amazing. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, you are witnessing greatness.
Here's the battle for the Salcedo. Still holding off Robert Rice. It'll be 4 laps to go when they cross the line. We have a nice battle here. McIntyre. And the number 47 is able to hold on the foot. He's right here. He closes in on the rear bumper. It is like right here, Salcedo's car just leads so well into banking. Robbie Salcedo. Ooh! Wilcock over the spin in front of Rice. And I'm going to have to verify. Good old skid place. There's a spin. That's Aberdeen going for a ride. Salcedo way up there at the top of the screen in second place Rice. Down there, and I'm verifying. Yep, Robert Rice is still the second place car, so possibly has gone 1 lap down. Of course, he's going to go for another. So, I don't know. Where are you going? At this point, now you're going to enjoy this. You don't have to win to do donuts. There's no rule that says you can't do donuts, and I guarantee you will at least have the 16 of Robbie Salcedo. Sponsored by Chad Miller. I love how fresh that 65 car is. That is like awfully used car lot fresh. They were like, so, daily driver? And Chad probably like, oh, I need this stuff for it. I'm not gonna do it. Out of turn number 4 for the final time. The 16 of Robbie Salcedo takes the victory in this sequence. The second. Eventually, we're going to see the number 6 of Mike McIntyre. That is our 3rd place car, black and yellow. Oh yeah, here they come. They're coming at you. Don't hit that wall, 50. There's 2 people in the 50 car. You got a passenger. They could have been in the carpool nuts. Don't make a liar out of it. There we go. And I did tell you, Elizabeth, why don't you get us out of that 47 over in the infield, because that... Yeah, see the Lees, when you're family, you can do all sorts of goofy. I guess Wayne Lee's going to carry the torch on the... They're going nuts, Tim!
That was a move. Jeffrey, I've never seen that before.
I've seen some stuff.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, it's time. Business starting to pick up. Picking up the win, the first win of the night.
Shop on a Friday.
For the skid plate driver, Robbie Salcedo. Come on out, Robbie. Let's get you a trophy. Oh, look at that, man. They're running it down out there.
There's a car in there somewhere.
That's one of those Battle Electric guys, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Oh,
Ashley
what's he
knows.
doing out there? He's trying to blow it up. All right, Robbie, congratulations on a big win tonight. I know you got to go get ready for your trailer race, but who do you want to thank?
Well, I got to thank my uncle, all your fans for coming out, my mom and dad. LKQ, thank you for we're going to do without you guys, Irwindale Speedway, and I hope you guys are ready for this one.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hillbilly Heaven. It doesn't get you better than that. Crank it up.
Yeah, 405. Get off my ass. Hey.
Tires explode there, Jeffrey. Oh, there it is. That was a little warm. That's magnesium, ladies and gentlemen, magnesium. Oh, woo. That's going to leave a mark. Hey, Jeffrey, give him a clap. fire like that, are you?
That is some black. Someone's right in with this. I think they're trying to go there. They go. So I believe that was the task, and Daryl might have just gotten a little bit of a bonus for that. There you go. Push it all the way through. After all that hard work, Chubby Checker's like, that was nice.
Tire blow.
Was that a tire? That was loud.
That's really loud.
Oh, Robert Rice! Robert Rice goes through the trailer. I guess what I'm starting to see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on, Shark! It's back on the ground. He's undone. If someone hits that boat right, they're going to flip it. And Steve's going to do it. Oh, Steve's up! Up in the air. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Crazy Steve Cook. The combo from Chubby Checkers. Steve Cook is going for... I told you, that thing was a ramp waiting to happen. We still have a trailer left. Robert Rice goes go through it. That thing is a tank. Steve Cook hitting trailer tractor tires on the back straightaway. He doesn't care. The 73 is going to... He can't see where he's going. The pickup truck is driving with a hood up in front of him. I think... Oh, yeah. So he's good. I'm still waiting. Ooh, Steve Cook. There you go. Crazy. Legal lane. Terrible. Oh man. And then Robert ended that run into the back end of the 176. Alright, now these drivers are looking for something. I'm watching the 3, I'm watching the 99, the 16. They're all hitting stuff all over the front right away, the 5150. I told you, it was a slow burn to get to this point, but I had a feeling that we were going to see some good stuff tonight. These drivers are delivering so far in this trailer race. Bill's got junk all over, Robert Rice. Alright, let's see what happens on the front straightaway. We got a pretty big sized group coming. Going for what? Are they both going for the boat? Oh! Steve Cook's like, that was nice. Sparks flying, debris all over the place. I mean, Robert Rice basically just took that boat in half. That was, how high did that get, Tim? You're at track level. Some good stuff, but as the trailer races go, you can see Chubby Checkers has completely lost his tire right front. Might have lost some field. Dragon. It's always going, oh, on the thing himself, you know, he's jumping all over the place. Gonna take something out. Always saying that there's a combo where for Robert, he wants to hit the boat.
Oh, it's teamwork right there, Jeffrey.
That's what I was going to say, but he also held down Robert. Teamwork is a thing in trailer racing. I don't know what Pronto's doing, and I don't need him to race. I'd be lying if I said I didn't.
Still has his boat intact.
Daryl Island thought she was a monster. It's just a pile up over there at this point. Look at this. Yeah. We're all in this together. Tim, they're just trying to make sure that these cars are going to make it to the front straightaway for the cheer-off at this point. Cheryl Highland, her car is high-centered. Can't get the traction down. Those wheels are just spinning right now. She's trying. She's trying. You can literally see the rear end of this car wanting to fall. Look at this! It's like a ballet dance. Da 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 da.
Ring around the rosy pocket.
Tim, you're not going to have any cars on the front straightaway for the
Oh
cheer-off.
no, they're walking up here.
But that's fine. I think there's a couple that are going to be part of this cheer-off that aren't going to make it to the front straightaway, and that's okay. We saw some huge moments in this trailer race. Oh yeah. There we go. Cheryl's finally free.
It's the queen of the
There's almost no better, but it's what you do with those last moments of the trailer race. Wow.
Queen of destruction.
That's done. 15's done. That one's done.
Ooh.
Oh, come on.
Jeffrey, the queen is on a fire today.
This has been a wild one, Tim. It is an absolute mess. And we're going to have some work to do on this cheer-off. Oh boy, here they come. Wow.